In this video, I'm going to show you how I take apart my acinfinity fan and clean it. From here, I just rinsed off the bulk of the dust as much as I could and got in between all the little crevices. The warmer water seemed to help rinse it off a little bit better, but you can use whatever temperature you're comfortable with. If your fan was not as dusty as mine and you're happy with how it looks, then a rinse with just water should do the trick. However, I had let mine go a little bit longer than I wanted, so I decided to do a more thorough cleaning with some dish soap and water. This part of the fan is completely fine with submerging in water and rinsing completely because it has no electronic parts. And once I have this part totally rinsed off, I just set it to the side and allow it to air dry. This next part looked really cool to me, almost like an optical illusion, so I wanted to slow it down for you guys. Here I used a Clorox wipe to wipe off the blades. You can use any kind of wipe and cleaner that you prefer, but this is just what I had on hand and worked best for me. Luckily, the back of the fan seemed a little bit easier to clean off, seeing that I could not just rinse it down with water. I'm sure there are ways to take it apart further to clean it even more thoroughly, but I feel like this cleaned it well enough for the time being. If you do find it a bit difficult to get behind the fan blades, you can always grab something to wrap the cleaner wipe around to be able to get to the harder to reach areas. As a finishing touch, I used the faucet to very carefully go along only the edges, just to ensure that all the extra little bits were rinsed off. And voila, it's good as new.